And the other thing which is important is the linearity of gradations. So for example, if you have a Pantone library with only the full tone, how should the 50% of that spot color shall be rendered? And in the past, we had an automatic functionality, which is by default still available. But there is as well a new ISO standard, which is used in all the other products from ColorEnd and CoPra. We use the ISO functionality already. And now in ZePRA, we have it as well here to define that 50% or all the gradations are handled according to ISO 2654, which is as well known as SCTV, spot color tone value curves. So ZePRA can handle that. And even if you have a spot color library with tints already, where all the hues and the tone value increase curves are defined, you can override that with the ISO curve using still the values from the spot color library, but with the ISO 2654 methodology for the linearity, a very nice functionality. So for example, here I have a spot color library with this orange. There's a gradation available, even printed on white and black. With the black, there's the opacity, which is as well a new feature we have, or an increased functionality and quality that we've increased because the calculation of the opacity is now different than it was before. It's now much better. But here there is a definition of the gradation and the tone value increase curves and the hues. So the LRB values, the hue, this will be retained when this new functionality is used to use the linearity according to ISO 2654. And the hue will be retained, but the linearity is according to the ISO 2654. While if you use automatic, then everything which is defined in the spot color library will be used.